Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Simple Art Ideas, and today I'm going to paint these cute little fantasy mushrooms, or you can call them wild mushrooms or dreamy mushrooms or whimsical mushrooms, anything you want. So these are pretty colorful. I love painting this type of stuffs which are easy to draw, easy to paint. I mean, the painting process feels like something playing with colors, and it most of the time it is freehand art, freehand drawing and paintings. I love doing that because it's a hobby for me, and I want you to enjoy the process, so I make very easy and simple art ideas. So today's one is also just like that. It's a simple art idea you can draw for a rainy day. Rainy day and mushrooms are quite very closely interrelated. And when I think of rainy days, I think of mushrooms, but this is not realistic mushrooms. They are just dreamy, magical mushrooms, bright and beautiful. And I think this is gonna be a fun thing for you to do, to doodle. And now I'm applying a little bit of the art masking glue here and there, just dots and here and there, so that later on, after applying color, when it is dry, we will just rub it and to make the white parts very bright and beautiful on top of the mushrooms. So this is the process, and it's a very enjoyable thing to do some little stuff as art, because you don't need much time for that, or you don't need much preparation for that. Just a little bit of colors in the small sketchbook you have, and just start doing the coloring, painting. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, watch my videos and share my videos with your friends. If you have anything beautiful bubbling in your mind, then please tell me in the comment section. Any art ideas, any art challenge, any drawing, or any art hack, or anything that you want to do with me, or you want me to show you, or try this out in my channel, then please let me know in the comment section. I will reply back to you, and I love to do something new. I keep experimenting with art ideas. You can see in my channel various types of colors and various types of themes and ideas I try out. So be with me and do some art stuffs, and please watch the video till the end. This is all for today. Have a good day. Bye bye.